Okay, let's look at question 5I. This is also use substitution, but this is the second type of use substitution because the inner function, what's underneath the square root, is a linear function in x. That is, x appears only to the exponent 1. And the derivative of this inner function is just dx, all right, or just 1. Okay, but we still put u equal to the inner function, u equal to x minus 1, and in this case du is always, in this case, a constant times x. So here the constant is 1. Here du is exactly equal to dx. We also figure out what x is equal to. X in this case is u plus 1. All right, so now let's substitute, and basically what we want to achieve is we want the denominator to have only one term, or the denominator to be a power of u. So let's do that. Okay, so we have the integral, and in the denominator we have the square root of u, and here we have 3x. Now you see x is equal to u plus 1, so that's 3 u plus 1 plus 2, and dx is equal to du, so we substitute du. Okay, now just multiplying through that and simplifying that numerator, we have 3u plus 3 plus 2. That's 3u plus 5 over u to the 1/2 du. Alright, now, so what we accomplished is now we have a single power in the denominator, and we can divide, okay, divide the numerator by u to the 1/2 and get powers and use our power rule like we often do. Okay, so this becomes 3u divided by u to the 1/2 is u to the 1/2. So we have 3u to the 1/2 plus 5 divided by u to the 1/2 is 5u to the minus 1/2 du. Okay, now do the power rule, and we have 3 u to the 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2, and now divide by 3/2, which is the same as multiplication by 2/3. Okay, plus 5 u to the minus 1/2 plus 1, that's u to the 1/2, divide by 1/2 or multiplication by 2, and at this point we put in the plus c. Alright, let me just scroll up a little bit, and all we have to do to finish this problem is substitute u equal to x minus 1. So let's finish up, and we have 3 x minus 1 to the 3/2 times 2/3 plus 5 x minus 1 to the 1/2 times 2 plus c. Okay, 5j is a similar type of integral. Again, we have an inner function that's linear function of x. Okay, so we'll proceed like before. U is equal to x plus 1, and this time x is equal to u minus 1. Du is equal to dx. Okay, so let's substitute, and in the denominator we have x plus 1 cubed, and that would be u cubed. Okay, 2x, and x is equal to u minus 1, that's 2 u minus 1 plus 3, and dx is equal to du, so I'll just put a du here. Like we did in the previous example, we'll simplify the numerator and divide by the denominator. So we have 2u minus 2 plus 3. That's 2u plus 1. Okay, divide. And we have 2, u divided by u cubed, that's u to the minus 2, plus 1 over u cubed, u to the minus 3, du, that's equal to 2. Now we're doing the power rule. Add 1 to minus 2, so that's 2 u to the minus 1 divided by minus 1, plus u to the minus 2 divided by minus 2, plus c. Okay, and that's equal to minus 2 x plus 1 to the minus 1 minus 1/2 x plus 1 to the minus 2 plus c.